Good morning, people. Today's smoothie of the day on the Smoothie Cast Health Made Easy. This one's probably going to be 2 minutes, honestly. But we're going banana, matcha, almond milk, Vitamix, morning coffee, and last but not least, let's see. I think mango. We gotta go mango. Gently. So let's see if I can make this in under 2 minutes. We will start the clock right now at 50 seconds. So let's see here. Go. And let's go. And we're gonna add some water to it. Beep, beep. And then we're gonna go work out. Today's workout is shoulders. Every day is a new body part. So that's the fun thing with working out. I do a new body part every day and give it a big time workout and then give it 6 days of rest, basically. Alright, I've only got a minute left to make this. The time's up. There you go. And then we'll do about 1 tablespoon of the matcha. Actually, we'll do 1 teaspoon, I believe. Yeah, we're gonna do 1 teaspoon. 1 teaspoon. Some organic matcha. Bingo. And cover. Uh-oh. Done. And that's your smoothie of the day. Go have fun. See ya!